Hello, this is Wilson. Welcome to yet another video from the Data Magic. In this video, I am going to show you how to set default number of sheets in a new Excel file. In the older versions of Excel, whenever we create a new Excel file, we used to see 3 blank sheets in it at the start. Later, Microsoft has provided the option for the user to set the number of sheets as they need. Let us see how we can do that. Open an Excel file, click on File menu, click the Options button. Under the General tab, you can see when creating new workbooks. Here, under Include this many sheets, you may see 2 or 3 or any other number as per your Excel setting. Let us change it to 4 and click on OK button. You will not see this change immediately in the current Excel file. To see the changes, we will have to open a new Excel file. Now you can see there are 4 blank sheets in the new Excel file. Again, we will go to File menu, Options, General and change the number of sheets to 5. Open the new Excel file now and you will see the file is created with 5 blank sheets. In this way, you can control the number of sheets created in the new Excel file. If you like this video, please click on the like button and add your comments. If you want to get more tips and tricks in Excel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.